Welcome back, Old School RC here. We got an unboxing of a Trx4m from Traxxas. It is the High Trail Edition. So let's go ahead and get it open. Doing it with one hand here. Sorry about that for a little bit of shakiness. Alright, go ahead and do this. Perfect. Sliding it out. Right away we have a battery it comes with. Down in there, got the charger. Just a little tiny USB. It's amazing how small these things are getting. And then the controller. Just a standard Traxxas controller. And then here is the Trx4m F-150 High Trail Edition. That way. All the paperwork it comes with as well. Tools, spare parts, hitch. And you can buy a little trailer for this as well. There it is, in size comparison next to the remote. So with the High Trail Edition, it is a little bit taller, from my understanding, than the standard like Bronco. But this is fully RTR out of the box. Pretty nice scale for the most part on it. And there is the underneath. Awesome.